Improve your English listening skills with diverse audio materials. Hello, learners! Welcome to another video in our series focused on improving your English language skills. Today, we'll be exploring an exciting and incredibly effective method to boost your listening comprehension, practicing note-taking skills while listening to various types of audio materials. Remember, this is a key strategy to enhance your overall comprehension, and it will significantly improve your English learning journey. Let's start by understanding why it's essential to listen to a range of audio materials. By exposing yourself to different types of content like podcasts, news reports, audiobooks, lectures, or even music, you can improve your familiarity with various accents, speech rates, and vocabulary. This diverse exposure will make you more flexible and adaptable as an English listener. Before diving into the specifics, let's refresh our knowledge on the basics of note-taking. It's crucial to focus on key points, details, and the speaker's intent. Remember, the goal is not to transcribe everything word for word but to capture the essence of the conversation or speech. First, we'll look at podcasts and radio shows, an excellent resource for language learners. Start by choosing a topic that interests you. Then as you listen, jot down the main ideas, any new vocabulary, and any key details. By doing so, you're not only learning new words but also getting a real-world context of how they're used. Next up are audiobooks and lectures. They offer a chance to experience different storytelling methods and complex ideas in English. Note the plot points in an audiobook or the main arguments in a lecture. Take note of any difficult words or phrases and try to infer their meaning from the context before checking in a dictionary. Finally, we'll discuss news reports and music. News reports are great for getting used to formal language and clear pronunciation, while music can help with rhythm, intonation, and everyday language. While listening to a news report, note the headlines, main points, and statistics. With music, write down the lyrics as you hear them and pay attention to any idiomatic expressions or slang. That's it for today's session. Hopefully, by practicing note-taking skills while listening to various types of audio materials, you'll notice improvements in your listening comprehension and your English language abilities overall. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep listening and keep taking notes. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next video.